Every time you unlock your phone, watch a video, use Google Maps, or buy something online, AI is already making decisions around you. Most people think artificial intelligence belongs to the future. But the truth is, AI is already everywhere. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a futuristic concept. It has quietly become part of our everyday lives, embedded inside the apps, devices, cars, hospitals, banks, and systems we use daily. Slide 2, what we'll cover. In this video, we'll explore where AI exists in daily life, how these systems actually work, and what this means for the future of humanity. Slide 3, what is AI in daily life? AI in daily life refers to algorithms and machine learning systems built into products and services around us. These systems learn from your behavior, predict your preferences, and often act automatically on your behalf. Slide 4, evolution of AI. AI didn't appear overnight. In the 1990s, we had basic rule-based systems and spam filters. In the 2000s, search engines and recommendation systems emerged. The 2010s brought deep learning, voice assistance, and image recognition. And today, in the 2020s, we are entering the era of generative AI and autonomous systems. Slide 5, AI in smartphones. Modern smartphones are powerful AI devices. Voice assistants like Entity mobile app, Siri PPP, Google Assistant processing to understand speech, context, and intent. AI also powers face unlock, camera enhancements, predictive typing, and battery optimization. Slide 6, how voice recognition works. When you speak to your phone, your voice becomes a digital waveform. AI breaks the sound into phonemes, processes language patterns, identifies intent, and generates a response, all in milliseconds. Slide 7, AI in search engines. Every time you search on Entity Company, go Google the scenes. Models like RankBrain and BERT help Google understand not just keywords, but meaning and context. Modern search engines now generate AI-powered summaries directly in search results. Now slide 8, AI in social media. When you scroll through social media, AI algorithms decide what you see next. They analyze your likes, watch time, comments, and interactions to maximize engagement. Every feed is personalized differently for every user. Slide 9, AI in e-commerce. Online stores like Entity Company and Amazon is powered by AI. These systems analyze browsing behavior, purchase history, and even hover time to predict what you might buy next. Slide 10, AI in online ads. Digital advertising is largely driven by AI. In milliseconds, algorithms analyze your behavior, profile your interests, run auctions between advertisers, and display highly personalized ads. Slide 11, AI in navigation. Apps like Entity mobile app, Google Maps fit conditions, estimate travel time, and dynamically reroute you based on real-time data from millions of devices. Now slide 12, AI in banking. Banks use AI systems for fraud detection. Every transaction is analyzed in real time. If spending behavior suddenly changes, the AI flags the transaction as suspicious within milliseconds. Slide 13, AI in healthcare. AI is transforming healthcare. It helps doctors detect tumors in medical scans, analyze genetic data, monitor wearable devices, and personalize treatments. AI is becoming a powerful medical assistant. Slide 14, AI in smart homes. Smart homes are becoming AI ecosystems. Thermostats learn your routine. Security systems recognize faces. Lighting and appliances adapt automatically based on your habits. Slide 15, AI in streaming platforms. Platforms like Entity Company, Netflix, YouTube recommendation systems. These algorithms predict what content keeps you engaged the longest. Slide 16, AI in face recognition. Face recognition systems use deep learning to map facial landmarks into numerical vectors called face prints. This technology powers smartphone unlock, airport security, and payment authentication. Slide 17, AI in language translation. Modern AI translation systems use transformer models to provide real-time multilingual communication. Apps can now translate conversations almost instantly across dozens of languages. Slide 18, AI in customer support. AI chatbots powered by large language models can now understand context, answer questions, detect customer frustration, and escalate complex problems to humans. Slide 19, AI in education. AI is personalizing education. Learning apps adapt difficulty levels in real time based on student performance. AI can even detect struggling students early and recommend interventions. Tash Slide 20, AI in Gaming. In modern video games, AI powers intelligent non-player characters, realistic enemy behavior, procedural world generation, and adaptive difficulty systems. Slide 1, AI in Industry. In factories, AI performs quality inspection, predictive maintenance, and autonomous logistics. Machines can now detect defects invisible to the human eye and predict failures before breakdowns happen. Slide 22, AI in Self-Driving Cars. Self-driving cars are among the most advanced AI systems ever built. They continuously sense the environment, process information, plan routes, and control the vehicle in real time. Slide 23, Sensor Stack. Autonomous vehicles rely on multiple sensors working together. Cameras detect lanes and traffic lights, LiDAR creates 3D maps, radar tracks object speed, and GPS provides precise positioning. Slide 24, How AI Makes Decisions. At its core, AI decision-making follows a simple loop: observe the environment, process the data, and execute the highest probability action. Slide 25, Benefits of AI. AI brings speed, efficiency, personalization, accessibility, and safety improvements across industries. It saves time, improves decision-making, and helps humans solve complex problems faster. Slide 26, Risks and Privacy. But AI also brings serious concerns. Data privacy, surveillance, algorithmic bias, misinformation, and manipulation through recommendation systems are becoming major global challenges. Slide 27, The Future of AI. The next generation of AI may become ambient and invisible. AI assistants integrated into glasses, earbuds, homes, vehicles, and workplaces could continuously assist humans in daily life. Nash Slide 28, Final Takeaways. AI is becoming invisible infrastructure, just like electricity or the internet. The challenge is ensuring these systems remain ethical, transparent, and beneficial for humanity. Slide 29, Final Message. AI is not just changing technology. It is changing society itself. And understanding AI may become one of the most important skills of the future. If you enjoyed this visual journey into AI in daily life, like this video and subscribe to 3D Decode for more futuristic technology explained visually in 3D. Comment AI everywhere if you want more deep AI videos like this. See you in the next video.